So, hello everyone.
Hello, Miss Sophie.
So, are we ready for today's game?
Yes.
Okay, so in our today's lesson, we're going to be looking at the ending sound.
Sound.
The ending sound. So,
Sound.
we have some flashcards and we have the pictures of some of our objects we use in our daily life. So, we're going to be picking some flashcards of sound and fixing them in their ending sounds. Are we ready?
Yes.
So let's call on Segun to pick the ending sound for fan. Okay, all right. Let's go, Segun. Ending sound for fan and fix it to the picture. Awesome. A roll and a puff for Segun. Sit down, please. So let's call on Tomiwa. Tomiwa, let's fix the ending sound for net. Pick the ending sound for net. Good job, and fix it. A big roll and a pop for Tomiwa. So let's have Richard Appa. Richard, you're going to pick the ending sound for cup. 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 Beautiful. All right. A roll and a pop for Richard. So we have Paris. Paris. Pick the end sound for crab. 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 A beautiful one. Good job, Paris. Let's have Anel. Anel, pick the end sound for jag. 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 Fix it to the picture. Jag. 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 A beautiful one. A thumbs up, Anel.
Thumbs up, Madam.
Okay, so let's have answer. Answer. You're going to pick the ending sound for flag. 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 Flag.
Easy.
Flag. You look for the picture of flag. Beautiful one. Answer. Let's call it on Sharon. Sharon, come and fix the ending sound for car. Beautiful, and fix it to the picture car. Awesome. A roll and a flop for Sharon. And we have the last person, Hanel. Hanel, pick the picture for pen. Pen. The last ending sound for pen. Okay, we have pen. A big roll and a puff for Hanel. So that's a beautiful one, everyone. A roll and a puff for yourself.